Are you recording? Yes, it's recording. Alright.
Is it a good thing, dude? Can you see it alright?
Yeah, it's cool.
It's good for me to eat the rice cakes, dude. Why can't you eat them?
Maltodextrin.
Dude, they're rice cakes.
But it has maltodextrin.
Aw, man.
Sorry. I don't know who the fuck that is. I don't even know what that is. And I can't even eat it. What the fuck is with that?
Oh, yeah.
Yahtzee.
Oh, yeah.
Does that one have a better battery to it?
Yeah. Oh. I'm so sorry.
Did you already roll?
Dude, let's just say I did it, because I don't remember. Give me 2 seconds to send this. Every bad day. I did something. Oh, dude, I totally forgot about the camera.
Almost burned myself in the eyeball.
Oh, you didn't cheat, though?
No. I dropped my cigarette.
Okay.
Hey! Yahtzee!
Dude, I'm trying. Go sorry. You're right, Yahtzee. This jacket's too big, dude. That was a 30. Not a big.
Oh, yeah.
Damn it, dude.
You got your 4 of a kind, man. Or your 3s. Do you have your 3s yet?
Yeah, I'll use my 3.
And your 3 of a kind?
Yeah, I used them. Oh, wait, no, I don't have 4 of a kind.
Oh, yeah, 4 of a kind.
There was 3 3s, or 4
3s. 4 3s.
2, 3, 6, 9, 12.
And then 1.
13.
13. What happened to your math skills, man?
There you go. Fuck, dude. What's the motion? I guess I know.
2 2s. That fucking sucks.
Dude, James had to put his dog down.
4 6. What?
Yeah, dude.
14. Dude, that sucks. I'm sorry,
Looks
dude.
like mountains.
Yeah, you got put down?
Yeah.
Dude.
Fuck.
Way to lay that on me, man.
Oh, is it really gonna bum you out that much?
No, it just sucks, man. That sucks.
I'm sorry, dude. Fucking. Yahtzee was my one, baby. Well, what else? You see what you were on top of it? Hopefully this one won't be as hard.
Dude, 2 3 4 5 6.
Dude, we've been over that one. What the fuck?
How can I just like roll that out of nowhere?
Dude, you go to Vegas.
Twos. Those are my 2s, man. Of course I don't.
I like walk down in those street dude, and I was getting your shit from my shit. And I'm like, fuck, what am I doing here? I figured if anybody was watching me, dude, I just look so silly. I mean, anyone's watching me right now. I just gotta be like, what the fuck is that kid doing? Oh, I totally forgot about the camera. That's why we're doing this.
Whoa, almost Yahtzee.
Oh, Yahtzee! It just...
Oh!
Yahtzee! Yahtzee! This is my favorite thing to say. Yahtzee, Yahtzee, Yahtzee. I get it every day when I have a Yahtzee. What? What's today?
Friday? Saturday.
Make up your mind, dude.
Saturday.
Tired, let's go to bed.
4 8 12 16 17
Oh man,
17
2, 4, 8, 12, 16, 17. You recalibrated. You got it. What? 4, 8, 12, 16, 17. But you went 2, 8, 12, 6. Maybe I went 2, 4, 4, 8, 12. 2, 4, 8, 12. You know how to learn those?
I don't even know what you're fucking talking about.
Oh, I already got my Yahtzee, but I'm gonna do it again, bitch.
I don't think so.
Sorry, the whole room is moving with me.
I need my Yahtzee.
I need a pen. Why do I keep throwing it? What did I get, dude?
The whole world. You got nothing. You got 3 threes. You got full house. Oh look, I got a full house too.
Alright, I'm just gonna put a 0 on my chance.
Come on, 2 threes, baby, 2 threes. Or another full house. That's cool.
Bitches. You're not gonna do Yahtzee like that.
I mean, the game is over, bitch. Oh no, wait, that was my. I could use that as my chance. Fuck, what was it?
What other things could you have filled up?
Yahtzee and chance.
Oh, okay. Yeah, go again. Sorry, dude. I fucked up. My bad. I thought you were going for like a 3 of a kind.
Repetitive threes, man.
Oh, my head. Oh, I got it. Raw threes, dude.
12, 16. You must eat that one. I want the whole world.
I do want that. Oh god. This is too much. Come here, cause the devil, dude. Should we ask the cameras? I keep forgetting.
I forgot.
I don't like it. I feel like it's watching us.
What do you need? Your
I
sixes?
need my 5s and my 6s. How do I still have 2 spots left?
I don't know.
10. Take my phone up, I just spell your name. That's the best news I've heard all day. That's the fact that you said we're getting mushrooms. I might have broke my hand.
How?
I punched the hood of my car last night.
How the fuck did you do that?
I was drunk again, dude. You can't and I got in a fight.
I was
just
drunk
like,
last
boom,
night
boom, boom.
too. You and Kayla got in a fight?
Yeah.
Over what?
I don't remember, dude.
You know what I realized today?
I might have broke my hand.
No. I've only ever met Kayla like twice, dude.
Well, I'd have to tell her to come over here, but she don't fucking
Cool, dude.
Well, we should hang out together, dude.
I'm tripping out. I have the feeling that for some reason she doesn't like me.
No. She might just associate me being with you with, like, smoking pot. But, like, it's so weird because you, of all people, smoke pot less than anybody else. Everyone's like, yo, well, he's such a bad kid. Like, you're the worst influence on you. And it's like, no, dude. What are you doing, man? This is really interesting, dude. The dice. Your face is reflecting this onto it.
Okay, dude. There's 2s on this side, and then there's a 2 over here. But how can that be? Because these are all different numbers.
What do you mean they're all different numbers, dude? Look.
I know. Oh, what? That's fucking...
Wait a minute, dude. You might be onto something.
Look, here's another 2. And then another 2.
Well, they're
But it's up.
Of course, dude. Whatever's up, it's gonna have the opposite, which would be its next number.